students. Your topic for today is rights of consumer dispute redressal agencies. So, redressal mechanism. The Consumer Protection Act proposes three-tier redressal mechanism, quasi judicial machinery at the national, state, and district level. The jurisdiction of each consumer redressal forum has been described like this, that first is the district consumer dispute redressal forum. Each and every district has a district consumer dispute redressal forum, and according to section 11 of this act, this forum has the jurisdiction to entertain complaints and disputes only where the value of the goods or services and the values of the compensation claimed does not exceed rupees 20 lakhs. So the district forum shall have the same powers as that of a civil court in the following matters, that is, in the summoning and enforcing of attendance of any defendant or witness, in examining the witness on any oath, in receiving the evidence on affidavit, in any other matter which may be prescribed, demanding of report of concerned analysis or test from the appropriate laboratory or from any other authorized relevant source, in discovering and producing any document or other material objects which are producible as evidence in the forum. So the district forum shall consist of a president, that is the head of the commission, who is or has been or is qualified to be a district judge, and two other members who are possessing a bachelor's degree from a recognized university. One of them shall be a woman. The members of the commission shall be the persons of ability, integrity, and standing, and have adequate knowledge and experience regarding the field of a consumer. Each and every member of the district forum shall either hold the office for a term of 5 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Then comes the State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. So each and every state has a state commission, and according to section 17 of the act, the pecuniary jurisdiction of the state commission for entertaining complaints or issues where the values of goods or services and the values of compensation claimed exceeds rupees 20 lakhs, but it is less than rupees 1 crore. The state commission shall consist of a president and other two members. The president shall be a person who is or have been qualified to be a judge of high court, and the other two members shall be possessing a bachelor's degree from a recognized university. Out of the two members, one shall be a woman. Then the members of the commission shall be the persons of ability, integrity, and standing, and have adequate knowledge and experience regarding the field of a consumer. Each and every member of the district forum shall either hold the office for a term of 5 years or up to the age of 67 years, whichever is earlier. Then the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission is there, that was instituted in 1988, and it is headed by the sitting or retired judge of the Supreme Court of India. The present president of the commission is Justice R.K. Agarwal, who is the formal judge of Supreme Court of India. According to Section 21 of the Act, the pecuniary jurisdiction of the National Commission for entertaining the complaints or issues where the value of the goods or services and the values of the compensation claimed is more than rupees 1 crore. The powers that are constituted are under the National Commission is, it has the power to administrative control over all the state commissioners. It can call all the state commissions or any of them for periodical returns regarding the institution, disposal, and pendency of cases. It can adopt a uniform procedure in the hearing of the matters. It can provide a speedy grant of copies of documents to the parties. It also has a general power of overseeing the functioning of the state commissions and the district forum. It has the power of providing prior service of the copies of the documents that are produced by one party to the opposite parties. So, in addition to the president of the commission, it shall consist of four other members, out of which at least one shall be a woman. All of these members shall fulfill the following conditions to be able to qualify as a member in the National Commission. First, their age should not be less than 35 years of age. Second, they shall be possessing a bachelor's degree from a recognized university. Third, they shall be a person of ability, integrity, and standing, and have adequate knowledge and experience regarding the field of consumer. That's all. Thank you.